Welcome to MATLAB Lesson 22. Today we are tackling our first intermediate project, the data analyzer. This lesson moves us beyond basic commands into a fully functional script that integrates multiple concepts you've learned. Our main goal for this project is to take raw CSV data and transform it into an insightful dashboard, all within one complete MATLAB script. The data analyzer project will cover four main phases: data import, statistical analysis, data visualization, and final reporting. Let's kick off with phase 1, data import and setup. Getting the data into the right format is the foundation of any analysis. We will start by importing a sample sales CSV file directly into MATLAB using built-in functions, making sure all columns are correctly identified. Depending on your data source, you may need steps for cleaning. We'll cover basic pre-processing to ensure our data is ready for accurate calculations. Moving on to phase 2, we dive into statistical analysis. This is where we extract meaningful metrics from the imported data. We'll calculate key sales statistics like mean sales, maximum revenue, and total units sold using MATLAB's robust statistical functions. The calculated statistics will be neatly organized and presented in a clear stats table output within the command window. Next is phase 3, data visualization. This is often the most impactful way to present your analysis results. We will create multi-subplot visualizations to display different aspects of the sales data side by side for a comprehensive view. We'll focus on customizing titles, axis labels, and colors to ensure the plots are clear, professional, and dashboard ready. Our final phase, phase 4, is reporting. The goal is to easily share your analysis with others. We'll use MATLAB's reporting tools to export the visualizations and the statistics table into a single, cohesive report file. Finally, we'll review the complete single data analyzer script, showing how all the pieces fit together seamlessly. Completing this project marks a major milestone in your MATLAB journey, demonstrating proficiency in data handling, analysis, and visualization. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the Intermediate Data Analyzer project. Now you're ready for more advanced topics. Stay tuned for the next lessons, where we will explore advanced MATLAB functionalities and tackle even more complex projects.